I did a thing. Yes, I got a Simplex 4010 the other day. I got it all wired up. I'm gonna do a quick demonstration before I put it up on the wall. And with it, I got some devices, such as SmartSync True Alerts, True Alarm detectors, an adjustable module, and a pull station. So we got the panel here, and then up here we have the True Alarm smoke detector. It's got the one with the LED on the base. This one was made in 2007. Got the dual action pull station. They're all addressable. Then we got a SmartSync True Alert, and it all comes back to the panel. So first, I'm gonna put this in a walk test to start off. System test 11.5. All right. So now I can go into walk test. All right. So we're just gonna leave that be. And first, shut up. We're gonna pull our pull station. So that's address 2. Let's get the right key. Has to be one of the most satisfying pull stations I've ever pulled. And now we're gonna magnet test the smoke detector. That was address 1. So now that we're done with that, all right, now we're gonna reset. All right, reset was successful. We got the Simplex service mode trouble, so I'm gonna have to do a warm start. And now we're actually gonna test the devices. So the True Alert is set to SmartSync code 3. Yes, I know the SmartSync does not sound the best. This is old technology, so it does have a longer pulse, and when it's resetting all the devices so that they sync up properly. All right. So you can hear the relays because all the other relays are set to march time. And it has selective silence. Now we can smoke test the smoke detector. And you can you can hear the SmartSync syncing up the device over there. This does take a lot of smoke. The reason why you heard me shot it up into the air is because if you're holding it upside down, it won't fire off correctly. We're going to reset our pull station. sure that's all the way. Yep. Thankfully, the push bar still has its springiness because sometimes they break. Now, we're going to wave out our detector. Yeah, I know. Yeah, they're really hard to twist on, but now we're going to do a system reset. There we go. All right, no alarms present. Stop blinking. Thankfully, the detector reset. Now, because we have the simplex service mode trouble, we're gonna have to open up the panel and do a warm start. Now, do not open up fire alarm panels and press this button in public because you can get in really big trouble. Stress panel is finicky. All right. You have our time and date trouble. I don't like setting a time and date because it always resets. All right. So there should be a second trouble. Oh yay, system is normal for once. Heh. But I think it'll realize that the battery on it. Hey, it's 1997. Yeah, it's got the battery trouble. I'll have to get batteries sometime for it, but come on, it's got locked up again. Yeah, stress panel's very finicky. So you got to put it on the stress panel just perfectly. It's unlocked right now, because if you don't put it on just perfectly, this will happen. It won't unlock. And when you try to lock it, this happens. The key refuses to turn. That's one problem with having the stress panel on. So I guess that'll be all for today. See you next time.